Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Nana, okay, so Nana. Right now, AC charge the police to investigate former President Mahama's assertions on making a day towards the 2020 post, and some wakan fahu and then about to me moko so ne whole lot. State police investigated.
That's a pa na. Menu Africans in Biwa Hanama. You say, na me china jina kusikose. So kasa ube shred company idea that is soon be a wason. This is what to timatu. Since he has not been fair. You have any other idea, you add to what we have already. You don't destroy what I'm coming. Let me land. Oh, please. What's the meaning of shredding?
Yeah. Give me the opportunity to defend it briefly.
Shredding is
it is a figure of speech. No, if you like, ask President Akufo-Addo. When he hears you say this, he will laugh hilariously. He will laugh loudly. When I say I'll shred your whatever, it is a figure of speech. It is intangible. What I say, yes, I will control the paper no. But my part say politics is a combat of ideas, good. And I believe say my ideas will shred President Akufo-Addo's ideas figuratively. You understand? So it's a figure of speech. So literature.
Mr. Figure of speech.
Go forward.
Mr. Speaker of speech.
And the president understands.
The Americans say, whatever you want to put it, whichever way you want to put it, I think you could have used a better or alternative way of addressing your issue than to tell us we are going to shred it into pieces. My ultimate point that I'm making us because so Kasana so man look is man penisa be oniti and no I'm coming let me land one winner there now all kind of ideas no matter sabi nyansa and you said that you are going to offer better alternative
precisely.
I mean, you get my point. So the moment you tell us you are going to shred it and offer better alternative, it means what we have is rubbish.
But that is your choice of word.
Not my choice.
The president's ideas are
not my choice.
But under the circumstances, they don't.
You let me learn. Let me learn.
I'll show you in a few minutes.
Mommy.
Okay.
What I'm saying is that what you China will share boy. Put me who's a boy be about say ni pane boss out in China to 9. And so nana what one and Cabo Bia. Hey, I so and a seven group of your mountain no more Sunday. When you are on the pitch, it's different ball game altogether. Please. Mami.
Soprano Pacho.
It's not how she would do my own counsel. Extra day yet to tea be muko yambi, the biko nika the carbon kudi man kasami tiu. Mami, the year can say, and neck. Omampani dada John Dramani Mahama ni NDC. Minya kukudro. Eko police station for police headquarters or whichever station that they will go. They will more say and investigate easy. Amami de dikan. Many be one NDC as a political party. Only me didn't yeah. NDC as a political party 2016-2020 election almost easy and you're credible. Police and you're credible. More media, more credible. Asofo and Kano Kure, Imam of one Kano Kure. They say Ghana NDC for so mope and Omokano Kure. Now say Okoyesebe, one lion. Now continue the farm of Anta. Only no more me prefer one for me una Anthony because you don't have a friend. Tan NDC. Mommy, you had opportunity at the Supreme Court. What say? About one easy a declare no. We over 1 million votes. Just I don't know what come about thing. Also, we need election no. And the easy a Jeffrey Monsem. We General Secretary Kwatena Supreme Court. We gave the General Secretary opportunity to come out with your figures, sir. On the challenge easy there no. Also one for figure number. Mami ara say best in the ya me no kasai. And this in me for figure to me the winning election in my one thing. So which figure are they challenging the easy with?
Come see easy the 3 different.
That is not the case. You see the 1,000 figures crown a buyer. One I will say, ye real. Mami, the omo cannot ya say. Media ira ofie. Obi abewi amade. Then so police force okay. E dey ba deporting na ajira. Osi me hema me bia mani ma police for mo me enko ni fie na me enko search ni fie bia me hu ma de ayira ne wo ho enom se wade ayira ne de osi anu de minim nanso me ko search ma me fie ma de ma me hu me bi ayira we ani hen wo si wo ya wia wo say de na wo ye say ya wia na ka say you don't have figures and utie me ma me enko school go do echiri ba bia me ko sua de no me company law and contract law. Dear me lawyer or my dear catcher me say when you come to the courtroom, the rule of the game is evidence. And my brother is here, and I'm about this year, so I'm surprised. I'm surprised because Uncle say Casatia say woman to me for evidence, Uncle Supreme Court, and then woman in the book.
Some say this is the second chance for them.
Second chance na me can say mami ade ba ko say minianity ase dey say say a chance o say a chance o police homu asemo this a police we an investigation now evidence papa bi e be say court dem a I want to know usuro bi ko ni evidence ade ko hoyi that is the challenge and na isi na say more can say me madwuma me ye ni isi ni yenim si yenwia o e vote o polling agents wo hobi and ye keka bo mu yakika ni nyina ba omu no maame de wunya yenie de wenya yenie de asomasi nya de obentin nya yenie wo se da bi de ma ho no enya wo de na wo de wunya ye size was minim I just for any omadai anyway I don't speak for the easy but uti sometimes never be one may disturb the peace I enjoy wo man I think say it will be good for NDC as a political party someone snatch no more restructure electoral system no how are into election na fi tiase say election no said ye ankasa etu yemfo 2012 2013 election petition na de court na Justice Atuba catch the Ghana for nyina say elections are won at the polling station so why are they fighting the easy chairperson what the polling station will be mami me bisa easy chairperson what the polling station will be figures are me call me uba me constituency asante achim south me kwaya aduma polling stations be 9 ye wie ye no ye nyina ya di omachi isi ni police kuta ye friends the ballot box na ya kenkan wie ye nyina trotro figures no ba me one particular polling station dia so kwanta polling station I think Methodist is right down a whole polling station ma me jino mo kan vote ye friends simple ballot papers no more than 10 times. Because at the sign, easy officer I don't know abre. To a kaya drubia 89 no job jump 93. We say hey, what was wachi? Okay. Yam peso be mama MPP ni abeka to say dey be vote. No. Ti yen nyina ya fee and ya mami ya kan ya until say ye nya correct figure no. And this for sign ye, yanso ye sign ye di a chire ko college center. And you make it so as a figures are college center hono your polling agents e kwa nyina ya gada homo ya ji obi a figure etu obakwa yi polling station we vote e ba ya na dia confirm ni ateke ni nyina ya boboy no pepepe enti se sabe wanya sa aduma we wanya due diligent na dia oti ba bi na yi mo na courtroom gom de mokola calculator na call ye now I'm not surprised what your smart Stephen to be ga kan na also set up a election office to say Binduri a first community center. Obeden when a result, Papa. Yes, sir. Me, I'm not happy. That NDC always look as if they have problem and always talking about ECO. I don't know what they want, but they hear kind of say and then said the minion kind you know. ECO no asansuo ne sapa begina bontis why ready. So be uhuru ni wo be dware abontin. I'm a Ghana for you who say fee no. What I say fee one for fee bra. Now fe yen settle case once and for all. Now I think said the minion kind of privilege my NDC. That indeed by me trophy this work. Mark my words. NDC will not have the courage to go to police. They will not go. Men are make catch was video kasi so hard money. NDC will never have the courage to go to police. No more kwa masiri woman so papa. Police no say MPP for corrupt woman. Afraid o maji o madi. I'm surprised me because internal elections NDC be mama. Ayi woti ya wakope ayi ozo pede constituency organizer. Who compare constituency as regional youth friends youth organizer open regional youth organizer di why the better molestation is one mamo
electoral commission
woman go na mo go bro mo musimu ni omo ni credible woman ya kromfo na so obehwa so na mama amini atie ono so de mahama wo lusu say cream ade asem no obeka kire easy they are tossing me so man beni that do mama go contest ni olusu a sanya yisi obetwe o mabo so yisi fo mpom ba bintina minim send this benya kukodro atwere letter dia koma easy say omo mehwe omo abato ne so mo na mi hu so ma yesa ma me mesere wo mo onkrofo asabi munyi wo muni omo nka no kura they are not transparent they are not this they are that na so mutimi nya kukodro say afei die ya kwa ni yakwasi ya saba say mombra na mohwe abato so man dia the Ghana for beka tell mo send this for na gasa so nya credible. They are not credible. Because all our months more come, I'm lucky focus. I say Sansankro, my mini will watch a chenko, and from maybe Abana who Matentenguru, and no monam no more to a young piano. What Mammy Mazomusiano and Munio found to a young piano says all Crambono, election the crowds who can resort to be Tiawomo, to also can't be no Lusu. Lusu Baku and this for Lusu, what they are saying we are seeing the international community come. Asofo ewo kromo aka ho bi no mulusu ye ba bi kura dem kwatese say yes obi say say dun katiana sika dem anso mfa nko campaign wan fa nko eni mulusu ye ba bi so man pani dada ya say pulling agent omo kwa no eni mu de omo yeti bonko so enti no mulusu ye wonsu yeti kromo anu mo si pulling agent mo the lawyers ene ko ye pull and then lawyers nso eni mu de hey then this kromo flas ase ben so
si for mame
na mame de me de manu sie me ka ho ne say wo ba se si e obeduru ya be shemra ye ma wo mre se brantam na be ka wasem
nana si for mame
wo ba ni obeduru zo be shemra mami we ni hwe me de manu sie ni mame ntoma ne no de me ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne se de ndisi fo ya ne de omo keka nyina ma Ghana fo ye nyina ya te ase se sebe wo mu ni hwie ka omo ni bibia ka omo nkotena fie no mu nsua de omusua de awia na omaba na afa ye hunu so my red because man pani dada di kan ka say tabi okotra nchen no wasua nyansa na anya sa na okan ye o say I've learned my lessons inti lessons na wasua no on famra they should bring better alternative for us to discuss enya de atwa no enya de bibi papa bia bebre wo so we should move forward the office say the 1D1F ideology be no mo di BT 1D1F yeah, the friends say free senior high school aba. Muslim family say Muslim the free second friends say university school aba. 5 years bra. Solutions near pedia build o mind no nya yi complaints ni na gin bebrebe no. Ya twam.
That's nana
Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.